Hello everyone and welcome to today's presentation of Top Corn Sale of the Month of July presented by Antonia Martin, Kevin Land, and Shanea Harper. Today's presentation is going to be about the various food truck locations, the multiple online stores that we have, and the one and only Tyson store in the local shopping mall. What we're going to do is take a look at that information and see if we can actually afford a new food truck and what date we should probably roll it out on, and also what flavor should be the most promoted. So let's take a look at our food trucks first. Each truck is broken down by its location. The one at Farragut Square, the one at George Washington, the one in Georgetown, and the one on K Street. We then broke it down by which flavor is actually doing the best at each location. If you were actually to take a look at our pie chart, you'll see with 8,150 is our Farragut Square location. And the most flavor that's doing the best there at our Farragut Square is our sea salt caramel. That one is just breaking away from all the rest. So if you can see from that information, if we were to actually buy a new food truck, we priced out that about $42,000 is going to be what a new food truck is going to cost us. The loan is only going to be for about a year and with about 8% interest. If we were to do those payments, break those payments down, it's going to be about $3,653. The interest is going to be about $1,842, bringing us a grand total of $4,842. So to see if we can actually afford these monthly payments, what we're going to do is take our trucks and take the average of all four of these locations and then bring in that average and see, we can see right here that it does go above the $3,653. So it gives us a nice little leeway too as well. So I'd say we definitely go ahead and buy that brand new food truck. Now, if we're going to take a look at our store location, we can see that we actually broke down this information just for the month of July we're taking a look at, and then taking a look at all our flavors and seeing which flavor did the best at each location and what were those totals for $5 per box. So we tried to set a nice goal for each location for $1,250, and we actually exceeded that location with $1,325. So with our lowest sales, $425, you can see right here on the 9th, but we actually, it's not so bad because just 2 days later, we broke the bank with $1,885. That's quite a huge jump. And if you see that each sales goal met is actually, there's a lot more yeses than there are nos. I say we set a new sales goal. We just bump up the price just $2 more to $7 per box. And we set a new sales goal of $1,750. I say we can meet that goal pretty easily. So now that we've taken a look at our online store, not our online store, but our physical store, let's take a look at our online stores. So if we take a look at our very raw data that we have of our online store, everything's broken down just by date, the quantity sold, the item, and the state. We're not looking at the price. We just want to see how much we're actually doing per location. So if we take a look at, this is just for the month of July, we can see that the original blend is the clear winner with 190, taking up 34% of that pie chart. Now, if we were actually take that information and break it down by state, we can see which state actually did the most. And again, this pie chart can be a little confusing. We're going to make it up a little bit easier. Pull this pie chart off to the side. We can see that each state is listed here at the top, and Maryland right here is the clear winner with 65. Coming in close second is California and Virginia. Now, if we were to take both of those states and break it down a little bit even further, we can actually see which date is doing the best there. So what I'm going to do is just deselect everything, bring up our California winner, our Maryland winner, and our Virginia winner and hit OK. And then pull up our date format here. So pull this one down here, pull this one up here. You can see that just for those 3 states and for those locations, you can see right here that the 5th of July comes in with 56 items sold. So what that tells me is that if we were to take our online sales and our store sales and we kind of combine both of those sales together, we can see which date is actually doing the best. And again, we see that the 5th of July is the clear winner with 411. So if we were to buy that brand new food truck and we were to roll it out, I'd say that we want to bring it out on the 5th of July, or maybe try to get it in during that week. But we want to hit the 5th of July here, and that would be the best day. And actually rolling out our original blend flavor is going to be the clear winner for that date. So thank you all very, very much. And I just want to leave you a couple corny jokes because I want to leave this presentation with a pop. All right. Have a nice day, everyone.